What's going on? Creepy and the Banter Boys coming at you from Code Red Airsoft in Southern California. Today we're going to be playing on District 9 and we're playing Forrest Gump. No, not that Forrest. This Forrest. Each team will have a Forrest Gump. To win, your Forrest must run to the center, grab Bubba, and take him back to your spawn. Since Forrest is so fast, he's bulletproof. But if you shoot him in the ass, it kills him. Hey, stop looking at that. It's just a knee. Now get ready for the fastest game in Airsoft history.
Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Come on, Astrid! Run, Forrest, run! Come on, the game's over already. You already got the dummy. Game over, man! It's game over!
I told you it was fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post a new video every Sunday.